Can you make it do the
Elkie
pokey?
Sheesh.
I've got a
Nerd.
friend!
Huh? Who is she?
Well, she's my sweet ballet dancer.
Huh?
I do! Here's her picture. She's a first night something.
Don't take this the wrong way, Carl, but you're kind of...
Girl! Huh? Yeah, I didn't think she'd like it. It has unsightly spots all over it. So I told her I was my dim-witted assistant.
You mean me?
Huh? Oh yeah, kinda.
Well, if you're looking for help me.
Fake Elkie?
Don't you love the sweet English language?
Carl, what are these fantastic things?
Yes, Mr. Wheezer, go ahead to work.
Are we? That's the bring back Elkie from another time machine. And that's the thingy that goes ring. And that's the yellow thing.
Carl, I have confession to make. I'm not
Elkie.
Herda, gerda, gaberda, schmerda, gerla, herda.
Just stop it.